We experience the world around us through all our senses. We become a part of it by seeing, smelling, touching, tasting, and hearing. Of all these senses, hearing has a versatility that makes it invaluable. But what if we can no longer rely on our hearing? What if only muffled sounds reach our ears? We are committed to helping you with all your hearing and comprehension needs. Take advantage of the extensive range of high-quality, customized hearing systems offered by Audio Service. Our company's impressive portfolio combines state-of-the-art technology with innovative audiology. Powerful, comfortable, and customized. Select the solution that fits you best. Perfectly tailored to our customers' requirements. Flexible, fast, and reliable. Take advantage of our customer-oriented service, support, and rapid delivery services. Our production facility in Herford, Germany, is home to experts with many years of experience in the production of in-ear hearing systems. Computer-assisted laser production enables us to manufacture the housings of our in-ear hearing systems precisely, down to 100th of a millimeter. Thanks to their many years of experience, employees at Audio Service are also capable of producing hearing systems that are as small as possible. All of our hearing systems are subjected to strict quality controls. We're sure you'll be impressed. We're sure you'll like what you hear. Because sound is what defines our world. Audio Service offers a whole host of customized solutions for a broad range of requirements. Audio Service.